okay?
Ow.
What's ow?
You bumped my head on the thing.
I'm sorry.
Ow.
Why are you laughing?
Remember that one time?
Lift your head up.
What? Is this it?
No.
After you put this, is that it?
After I put this, I'm gonna put your leave-in, and I'm gonna let your hair just air dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna dry you with the oil blower.
My head hurts. Oh, my head hurts. Like the
So hello YouTube viewers and welcome back. It's Emily5 here, aka Michi Wichi. I would like to thank my new subscribers, old subscribers and viewers for subscribing, for rating, for favoring, for your comments, for the support. I really appreciate it. And I am about to give you a review and try the Revlon blow dryer or hairbrush, however you call it, okay? So if you want to see this, please stay tuned. Hola queridos amigos que tú sintonizas de nuevo aquí en Semi de 5 Acas, Michi Wichi, bienvenidos al canal. Y hoy voy a tratar el cepillo blower de Revlon. Así que si desean ver esto, por favor, quédate en sintonía. Okay people, so off camera, I detangled her hair already and I put a leave-in from John Frieda, Freeze Ease. And I also put some, a little damn size of the Chi Silk Infusion. And now I'm about to apply this heat protecting spray. The hair is like around maybe, I'll say like 30% dry. Yeah, like around 30% dry because I didn't want to, you know, use this on wet hair. Ok, mi gente, fuera de cámara le apliqué los productos, le apliqué el fijador sin enjuague de John Frieda de Freeze Ease y le apliqué también un poquito de Silk Chi Infusion porque no quería pasarle el blower así ni tampoco que estuviera muy mojado. So, el pelo ahora mismo está como un 30% seco, 30%. Ok, let's get started. We're gonna start on low. Vamos a empezar en baja temperatura. How does it feel? Good. You feel a lot of cooling or no? You gotta tell me the truth. Now I'm gonna raise up the heat. Voy a subirle la temperatura un poco. O a todo volumen. How you feeling? Okay. Va a ponerlo en cool. Ahora lo bajé a frío. Can you feel it in your room? That's good. Ella me dice que lo siente en el cuero cabelludo, en la raíz. Okay. So, Muni, how do you think we're doing in this one? Is it faster than the regular blow dryer, or is it the same, or what? Your honest opinion.
Faster?
Yeah? Okay. Does it get to your room?
Yeah.
Okay. Noise level. Is it noisier than the blow dryer or the same?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Ella dice que todo es bien como una secadora. Esto seca más rápido que la secadora normal, ella me dice. Pero que del ruido, pues ella no puede identificar si es lo mismo o no. Okay, people, so this is our final result, or her final result, with the Revlon Volumizer brush, okay? This is it. I feel like it didn't took like the front, the brush is too big to take the bangs, and the haircut that she has is it's layered. But other than that, look at it. Can you please turn around? Así mismo. Y pon la pierna en el otro lado muy bien. It's okay. This is it. You can see the layers. So it did a pretty good job. If I was to rate this 1 out of 10, I will give it a 9. I will give it a 9. Why not a 10? Because again, I'm trying to get to the root in the front and for the bangs, and I can't. But other than that, look at this. And it dried the hair very quick. Okay, este es el resultado final del pelo de ella. Como pueden ver. Mírate, mami, este lado. Ya ellos vieron. Ella tiene un recorte en layers, en capas. Y como que no puedo agarrarle esto así mucho porque el cepillo es muy grande. Pero si tengo que darle una numeración a este producto, del 1 al 10, le doy un 9. ¿Ok? Miren esto. Y lo secó bien rapidito. Did it dry fast? Better than the other one? Okay, alright. So this has been 75, aka Michi Wichi. You know what to do by now. People, support by thumbing it up. Make sure you share all of this on all types of social media. Esta ha sido 75 Hagas Michi Wichi. ¿Y?
I don't want to say.
Sigue sintonizando. No se olviden de compartir todos mis videos en todas las redes sociales. Deditos arriba, bye bye. Cuídense. Bye bye and take care.